In this video, we will learn how to create a new TikTok account in 2 minutes. So let's begin. So to make TikTok account, you have to first go and download the TikTok app. For that, just go and open your Play Store or App Store. And here just go and search for TikTok. And here it is TikTok including Musically. And here just go and tap on it. And here just go and tap on install. The downloading has started. I will be back when the download has finished. So the download is completed and it has been successfully installed. So just go and open TikTok including Musically. Just go and tap on open. And here just go and wait for the app to open. So here it is. And here what you have to do is just at the right bottom you can see an option of account. At the right bottom, so just go and tap on this account icon. And here you can just go, you have multiple options to sign up with. And here just go, I would just go and sign up with Facebook. And just go and tap on Facebook, or you can just go and tap on whatever you want. But Facebook is a nice option. And here just go and tap on continue as. You would have your account on Facebook that you are logged in with. And here what you have to do is just go and select your birthday. I would just go and select my birthday. You can just go and select yours. Here it is. Tap on next. And here you can see the account has been created. Now just go and again tap on the right bottom on this account icon. And here you can see my profile has been created. And you can just go and play around with it. Hope by doing so your issue will be resolved. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.